Okay.
This thing.
Ay! Putik! Ikagi na din na sa atin! Ay! Yan! Okay. Back up. Oh! Sa likod. Eh, ito. Kukunin natin guys yung knife. Ay! Putik! Teka. Yung grenade. Yan. Ano? Heh! Deserve mo yan! There we go. No! Oh! Yeah, lapit! Yan! Malakas yan! Bro, nagpupula lang ang ulo niya tuwing pinuputokan natin yung shotgun! Oh my goodness! Eh! Chew! Let's go! Pakatakot! Oh! Putik, bro! Hoy! Gagi! Alright, si Ada. Ada will rescue us. Putik! Bro, that's hard. That's what he gets.
This is getting old. Saving your ass, that's twice.
Well, thanks for
I
that.
didn't realize you were keeping score.
Look, this isn't a game.
Sumabog! At inaniman niya pala ng bomb. Nice one, Ada. Hopefully yun na yung last scene sa atin ng Tyrant. Deserve niya sa Jayon.